gal pal Kat here, and freeze! So here I am at the Organic Acorn Dairy Farm in North Yorkshire. I love their butter. I get their butter delivered straight to my door through my weekly organic Riverford vegetable boxes, but we'll save that one for another video. Because I love their butter so much, I contacted the company to see if I could meet the gorgeous cows who make the milk that eventually become this delicious butter. And they said yes! Enough talk. Let's explore! First things first, I had to get dressed. And here's how to make butter. When milk comes from the cows, it splits into milk, as we know it, and cream. This machine separates that cream from the milk, then gets whipped up. Butter is made by churning the cream with salt. The butter is then removed from this big guy into a big tub where it'll sit and age for a week. When it's ready, the butter will be processed here and packaged to go out to you and me. I need a stack of pancakes. Stat! Oh, and a glass of milk too, please. Okay, time for me to give it a try. It smelled so sweet and reminded me of cookie batter or cake batter. Oh my gosh, how I was so tempted just to eat it. Let's go meet the cows! Aren't they so beautiful? These are the baby cows. Did you know a female baby cow is called a heifer? You can take the girl out of Texas, but you can't take Texas out of the girl. And these are all the mama cows. Lesson of the day: happy cows make happy milk that becomes happy butter to spread on your toast, which then makes you oh so happy! Yippee! Thanks for watching! And a huge thank you to Caroline and the whole Acorn Dairy team for allowing me to visit. Details below about how you can get your hands on these dairy products too. Until next time, bye!